This compact PYLE mini box speaker system delivers surprisingly full sound for its size, with a three-way design that keeps highs, mids, and bass distinct and clear. The weatherproof marine-grade construction and sealed cabinet make it a dependable choice for boats, pool areas, and patios where moisture and splashes are a constant concern. A heavy-duty ABS enclosure and rust-resistant grille help the speakers shrug off rough handling and outdoor exposure while still looking neat and unobtrusive when mounted. The combination of dedicated tweeter, mid-range, and aluminum cone woofer, along with a bass reflex port, gives music more punch and detail than many basic two-way outdoor speakers. Mounting options are flexible, so it can be secured to rails, frames, or other supports, making it easy to aim the sound where you actually need it. The included Amazon Basic speaker wire is clearly marked for polarity and has a durable jacket which simplifies installation and helps maintain a clean, reliable signal from amplifier to speakers.